Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit photos on CapCut. Select new project and you're just going to select a photo. Sorry about my voice. Then you're just going to select it like that, and instead of pressing add, select edit photo. Then here you can adjust the size of your photo. I'm just going to select the 1:1 size. You can also select the photo and resize it to the frame ratio. Then you're going to see there's a lot of options. You can add text, you can add shapes, stickers, you can add in filters as well here. So just select a filter. Okay, it has to download first. Press the check mark button. You can also delete background and again add stickers here. But I'm just going to simply add in filters, and once you're done, just click export. Then it's going to be saved as an image in your phone. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!